Now let's run the test code. To do so, download the settings.json file from our download center here. Copy and paste it to your Documents AirSim folder. Here it is. Going back to the instructions, now download the hello skoods.py file. In my case, I just saved it to the desktop. And execute the simulation that you've downloaded before. Tracks, track closed way, alpha version. Okay, now we can see the simulation with all the features here, like seeing the frames of the camera and so on. You can also drive it because right now it's in manual mode. Okay, hit Alt Tab to go back. And let's see the instructions again. Let's open Anaconda Prompt app and run activate Skoods 36 on the prompt. Navigate to the folder containing the file, which in my case is the desktop, and run the file python hello skoods. Then let's go to the simulation again and see what's happening. The car is just playing around, going straight, turning right, turning left, going backwards. So we can see that our code and our environment are connected to the simulation. Just hit Alt F4. You can see some information here of what was going on during the simulation. And I'm going to show you what is inside the hello skoods file here. So first, we're connecting to the AirSim simulator by running these comments here, confirming the connection, enabling API control. So in this case, I'm turning off the manual mode and going to and connecting my code to the control of the car. And I'm creating an object here called car controls, which has the structure of the car controls that AirSim uses to control the car. Then in this for loop here, we are just printing out some information of the car, the state of the car, like the speed and the gear. Then I'm controlling the car by going forward for 3 seconds with the throttle equal 0.5, no steering, and printing out some information in the command line. Then I'm steering right, going forward by changing the value of the steering. And sure, you can't forget to always, after changing the values, setting the car controls in our simulation. Then going forward and steering left, applying brake for 5 seconds, and then going backwards for 3 seconds. So take a look at this code. This is a very simple code, but you can have a general idea on how to control cars using our simulation and AirSim.